This is cool. Watch this. Go ahead. So polite for a freaking baby seagull. How delicate. Come on. What's wrong? You want peanut butter? Hey! This one just literally landed right on me while I was sitting there. Well, really? It's for the baby seagull. She's still too young to eat it by herself, but she recognized the orange, I think, from what comes out of her, like, parents' gullet thing that they got in their neck. All these people are down there messing with my sea lion. Get back away from George. Hey. Try again. It's exciting. I'm hungry. Go on. Oh well. I tried. Hungry baby seagull. Baby seagull, so hungry. Baby seagull.